Okay, here's a little Decked 101 on how to use the D-Rito, the tool roll that comes inside the D-bag. So this is a handy little item, but knowing how it works makes it even handier. So first, unsnap it from the lid of the D-bag, and then lay it out, and you'll notice there is a gray handle and a black handle. The gray handle is slightly smaller than the black in case you're colorblind. You take the gray handle, loop it through the black handle, snug it down, then reach around and grab this little plastic hook here, and there's a fabric loop on the other side. You're gonna grab that and cinch it down. That's all there is to it. That's how you operate the D-Rito from the D-bag, so you can take it with you.